I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief.
Hi guys, welcome back to Evan's Stress Fitness. Evan's here. Today I'm going to be demonstrating for us how to do Romanian deadlift so that you get a better result. And the technique is very essential, which a lot of people are missing out on action, not focusing more on the technique but focusing more on the weight. Alright, before we go into this, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so that you will get the first to see any new video that we post. So be the first to get it. Alright, here's the technique when you do RDLS. Romanian deadlift, you can do with dumbbell, you can do with the bar, you can do with the kettlebell, whatever is available for you. First, you want to focus on driving through the core, your pelvic, right here. So every time you roll out the bar, your focus is you try to push your butt back as much as you can to put more stretch on that hamstring so you can feel the contraction on the hamstring. So you focus on driving through your pelvic, right? Let it go a little slight below the knee, you bring it up, and also you don't want to arch. Go back, no right leg, no right back. You want to keep it in chin, right there. Make sure your arm drives through your leg. Right. So you don't want to drive or push it out. So right. Now we grab the weights. Right. Still upright. Keep your chin up. Now we jump. Right there. Low. Low the knee. Now I can feel your foot stretch right on my hands, leading up to my head. And your core also has to benefit from this exercise, from the workout. Also, don't forget you're also working on your glutes and your hip. So one more time, we go right here and bring it back. So I'm going to back in right now so you can see how it works. Go all the way. Don't forget, go right back. So you should focus on the movement, on the technique, instead of focusing on the weight. When the weight is too much or you become weight stressed, now you're not focusing on the technique. So now you're focusing on the weight just to drive the weight. That's it. So if you really want a proper result from RDL, this is how you perform it properly. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
And felt the bruise, now I'm not the one confused. Call the shots and they produce. I ain't lost, I'm finally loose. Pick a new silver excuse. I need the views to boost me to a new abuse of being used. Everybody wants a piece now. Y'all can rest in peace now. You're dead to me, so peace out. Remember you're discreet out. Get ready for